Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now here's the thing, what if you have a user form application using Excel that is automatically closes whenever you're going to close the user form, just like this. So as you can see, whenever I load it, the Excel or the main file of this Excel is hidden, and when I'm going to close this user form, the Excel as well closes. Now if ever that you're going to edit some VBA code in this application, you cannot do it because it's automatically closes. Again, I will open again, just like this, and then when I close it, there, I cannot edit some of the codes here. Now how to open that? Simply just open Excel application here, just type at your start menu, and then open a blank workbook. And then after you're going to open our blank workbook, just go to the developer tab and then click Visual Basic. And there you go, it opens the Visual Basic. Now after which you're going to open the file that you wanted to edit, that is automatically closes when the user form close. So double click, and then the application now loads. What they're going to do is do not close this, but rather go to this code and then maximize this one, then go to the file name what your user form application is, then go to the main form. There you go, you can now edit some of the codes of your user form application. So if you're going to edit the one that closes automatically, you will just have to find the private sub user form terminate, and then you're going to delete this code application quit. If you wanted that the user form will not closes every time, if every time the user form loads, you wanted that the Excel would just remain open. So just there, make just that one as comment, and then going to type this code, this workbook dot visible equals true. Okay, then close this one, save this, and then close the VBA Visual Basic editor. There you go, it closes. And then when you're going to open this application again, there you can now see the database of that user form application you're going to edit. And that's it guys, thank you for watching. Just click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.